I'm getting a divorce, y'all.
We're going to talk about Noah Lyles and his heartwarming surprise for his fiancée, Junelle Bromfield. A mysterious video shared by Crissy that's stirring up speculation, and the Red Bull culture clash in Kingston featuring some big names in dancehall. Let's break it all down. First up, we have the adorable moment between athletes Noah Lyles and Junelle Bromfield. Just weeks after announcing their engagement, Noah surprised Junelle with a brand new home. Imagine her shock as she walked into her new place of happiness, as she called it. She shared a video, laughing and just beaming with excitement, saying, "This is New Year's." You can really feel the joy in the clip, and it's such a wholesome moment.
She's struggling.
Oh, bad.
Oh, red carpet. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Mas beri ng balon. I never know to take the keys out. Don't record that. This is noise. You're a mess.
Crissy Carter recently shared a video of herself traveling solo, listening to the song Empty by Chronic Law. It's definitely got fans wondering, especially because her husband, Kashane Damia Carter, aka CMR, was arrested on some serious charges. The video, which she posted on her Instagram stories, shows her pulling up to a large gate and entering what looks like her neighborhood. And here's the twist. She posted this same video 3 times, making her followers question if there's a deeper message here. Crissy hasn't commented on the arrest yet, but she did post another video just a few days ago with the caption, "Just in case I didn't get back to you, it gets worse when the husband is sick, literally." What do you think she's hinting at? Could this be a call for support? Or is there more going on? Let's hear your thoughts on this one. Festival vibes. The Red Bull culture clash in Kingston brought the energy with performances from dancehall legends like Stefflon Don, Valiant, Capleton. If you missed it, don't worry.
way from London town to turn up with you guys. Make some noise for the jazz one time. Don't walk in, man. All who love their money, make some noise one time. You see, without your mommy, you won't be here today, you know. So you see when I sing that 16 shots, I mean it from my heart. Yeah, my boss gone. DJ Frost, Big Belly DJ Frost, run the tune. You know never shot in a London crew. Stefflon Don and
Nation, in the next report, we come with round 3, 4, and 5. There was even an altercation that took place with the likes of TOK and the Selector. Still, Nation, go on enjoy yourself. We'll soon return.
We have a song that kills
You see that song over there? I'll be looking there for more. Woo! Cause